Hey guys, d-piddy here, and today we have a Air Max 97 that's made out of corduroy. But it's not the Sean Witherspoons that everyone has. It's these beautiful pink shoes here. It is using the Air Max 97 silhouettes, a classic, and it's comfortable. It looks dope, but you guys know I love the color pink. I love bright colors. I love pastel looking colors. Something unique on your feet. That's what I love. And when these were shown and like teased on the internet, like I instantly fell in love with them. So Nike released a Asia exclusive corduroy pack, and there's actually 4 different colorways. There's this one, this one, this one, and this one, which I have in my hand right now. I was in Tokyo this past December with Lucky, and I wanted to buy all 4 of them. I wanted to buy all 4 of these shoes. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough room in our luggage to bring all 4 back. We had space for 2, but she limited me to only buying 1. Mainly because if I bought 2, then I'm basically being unfair, and I'm hogging all the luggage space for myself. And so, you know, you gotta meet in the middle, so I only bought 1 pair, and I bought the pair with the most pink. And so yeah, I am not used to seeing like corduroy material on a sneaker. I don't know how easy it is to clean. I've never owned the Sean Witherspoons. I don't have a sneaker that's made out of corduroy fabric, so I don't know if this is gonna be tough to clean. It's probably gonna be a bitch to clean. I'm pretty sure. Right now, I'm already assuming it's gonna be really tough to wash stains out and stuff, but it looks really cool. So let's take a quick look at it, and I'm gonna cut this video short, mainly because I am super hungry and I've been editing all day, and I need to eat lunch, but I want to get this out of the way. Anyways, so like any other Air Max 97, it has the same design. You have different layers of the material coming across here in a wave, and the Nike logo is highlighted in blue. There's a dark charcoal gray that comes on top, right in the middle of both colors, and then you have the light pink, which is the highlight of the shoe. I love this part, the pink top that comes around, and then you have a nice turquoise like plastic lining that goes around the tongue to the top, going around the Nike logo right on the tongue. The inside is also a lighter pink, and then you have the Nike logo right here in the middle of the sole. The bottom is a bright orange, nothing too unfamiliar if you have a pair of Nike Air Max 97s. The air sole on the bottom is the same. If you have a pair of 97s, you know, then nothing has really changed. They didn't add any like Nike swooshes anywhere. They didn't remove anything. It's just a nice simple take on the Air Max 97, just with different materials and a fresh new look. Bright pink on top and like some pastel pink on the tongue. Unlike the Nintendo 64 Air Max 97s that I unboxed like a couple months ago, there's no extra shoelaces that come with the shoes here at all. There's just the shoes, nice clean colorway. So yeah, this is a really dope summer shoe, so I'm probably gonna be wearing this soon, because you know I live in Los Angeles. It's hot all the time. I'm probably gonna be wearing this like in March when it starts getting hot here in LA already. It's actually hot right now. It's what, like January 23rd as I record this, and the weather is pretty toasty. So here they look on feet. Pretty snazzy, I think. Definitely a really cool shoe. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be wearing this a lot until they're destroyed and I'm gonna have to buy another pair, which I don't need because I have so many shoes. Anyways, yeah, definitely one of my most like sought after shoes last year, and they came out at the end of 2019. I saw these, I fell in love with these instantly, then I saw them in person, and then I just want to marry them. So yeah, so these sneakers are probably going to be my most worn shoe of 2020. They're just comfortable, they look really fresh, they're different, and I'm probably gonna get a lot of eyes on them. So anyways, take care guys. This is another sneaker unboxing. Thanks for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye.
Ready?